How to add RSS feed to Wix website. So for this, I'm going to go to elfsite.com, and right here you just want to choose sign up free, and it will ask us to log in with Google, or you can choose the other methods. I will just use one of my Google accounts right here, and it's going to look like this. So right here we have to click on add new app, and we have to search for RSS. And you should be able to see this. RSS feed, build your unique RSS feed presenting different news sources. Once we select it, then it will ask us to select a template which we are going to work with. So I will do this one, the second one, and I will just click on continue with this template. So right here we can change the layout of how our RSS feed is going to look like. We can do carousel slider, can change the post type, and also the appearance of the RSS feed itself. But basically the most important part here is going to sources and actually clicking on add source, and here's where we paste our RSS URL. So for example, the news source that you want to use to reflect onto your Wix website. So after you have set this up and pasted the RSS URL, then we will click on publish here. It will ask you to view plans, and you have to select free here. But basically after you have published it, then we can close out of this, and it's going to look like this. And we're going to click on the three dots, and we are going to select embed code. And you might get directly to this page, but you have to click on copy code. And after that we are going to go to Wix, and we are going to search for HTML, and click on embeds and embed HTML. And right here we will actually paste the code that we just copied like so. And if we update it, this will add RSS feed to our Wix website, as you can see. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.